Well, I took the quiz, I ordered the products. Il Makiage, the foundation, the concealer, and the brush. What I think? I'll let you know right now. Good morning, beautiful people. This is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. Hey, thanks for watching. And if you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? Well, I'm sure you've seen the ads for this product, Il Makiage. They're all over Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, wherever you are for social media. And they give you a link to take a test, and they'll show you a lot of pictures, so you pick your skin shade, some questions about your skin type, and they supposedly find the foundation that's the match for you. For me, it's 040, woke up like this, and my concealer is number 2.5. And overall, I think they did a good job with the color match. Let me show you exactly how it works. So I got this in about 4 or 5 days ago, and I've used it about 3 times. So I'm going to try it for you today and demonstrate. Okay, this has this little pull-up top. One thing I have noticed that I don't really like is that it tends to leak right around the edge of the pump, and you get extra foundation around there. So I'll just take it off and put it on my neck. Okay, it says to take about 2 pumps and put it on the face. It takes it here, here. Okay, and then it gives you this brush. It's a nice, thick, full bristle brush. And your foundation blending brush. So I'm going to use that and just sort of blend it in, sort of in circular motions. And I do feel like with this test online, they did a really good job of matching my color. Probably the best job since the store stopped allowing actual testing. And the formula does blend in really well. I did put on my serums and primer ahead of time. And of course the sunscreen. And I put this this is the concealer. So I'll just tap a little bit of this concealer on. And I'm going to use my sponge to blend it in. And it blends in very well. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put on the rest of my makeup, and then I'll be right back. Okay, the rest of my makeup's done. Did my eyes, my lips, a little bit of bronzer, set it with a little bit of powder, and I'm ready for the day. I've been wearing this for about 3 days in a row, and overall I felt it held up really well. It does a nice job, just the right amount of coverage. The color was a good match. The concealer, a good concealer. Is it among the top 5 that I've tried this year? Yeah, I think it is. Is it the do-all, end-all miracle foundation that's going to make me stop trying all others? No, unfortunately it's not. But overall, I do like Il Makiage. Again, there's a problem with the leaking around here, which just rub a little bit more in. Yeah, but other than that, it's, you know, it's a nice design, a nice bottle pump, and a really pretty design for this concealer as well. Yeah, it's a good product. Yes, it is a good product, but again, it's not the be-all, end-all miracle product that I think the ads may want you to believe it is. But I am going to continue using it in rotation. I haven't decided whether or not I'm going to reorder. So I may follow up on that at a later date, but so far, Il Makiage does get the thumbs up. One more thing, Il Makiage actually sent me a bonus product with my order. The bonus I got was this ink liner in black. It's a liquid eyeliner. And interesting, this was made in Germany, while the foundation and the concealer were both made in Italy. So I usually tend to prefer pencils or powders for liners, but let's give this one a try. Get my hair out of the way. It's actually very nice. It's a fine lining eyeliner. Let me smudge it a little bit. It's a very nice product. This is the Makiage eyeliner. Again, this was just a bonus that was sent with my package. Is there a product that you've seen that you'd like for me to try? If so, please leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.